he could be like Nip and Bug. Rode through my hood, Linwood Ave, 14K my neck, 3.5 my wood. Know my word is bond. Said I got you when that's understood. Finesse the woods. That's why they call me Lil Red Robin Jug. The product good. You know they coming back just like they fucking should. I wish you would. I kill you where you stand. Correction where you stood. Misunderstood, devilish nigga. But my intentions good. My heart so numb, can't get no more fucks. Sometimes I wish I could. But with you, this shit is kinda different. And I admit your love so pure, only the sky's the limit. Not in a rush, don't move so fast. I know that time is ticking. Can't love you better. That's some goddamn niggas speaking fiction. Your love addicted love.
When you try cleaning up with your boyfriend,
my cleaning up, it's not really cleaning up. It's just rearranging.
He took all those shoes out of this. We supposed to fold the clothes and put the clothes up.
It's a mind trick. You gotta see.
He took the shoes and put them right here.
Your brain gets used to you looking at the same shit, and it tells you like, "Hey, bro, you need to do something about this." So what you do is you just rearrange all the shit, and then that way your brain is like, "All right, I can deal with that."
Okay, look, this is what you gotta do to turn off the light in the closet.
My knees.
And the power keep getting bigger.
I gotta do this thing with the thing because the thing is sharp. And I gotta find the thing. Oh, it's this. Yeah. Girl, I ain't got no.
You want me to help you?
No, you gotta be on. This better not go on YouTube. You know what I mean? My dungarees. My dungarees. That's what they call them somewhere. I don't know where, but y'all know the accent. Dungarees, like whatever that is. I don't know. What's that? That's like Australian or like. No, that's like European or British or some shit like that.
You want me to help you?
Man, I got all the muscles. You want me to help you? You see how that fit, girl? And we don't never close the door anyway, so bow, just like that. And then I pick a couple hankers up. You just rearrange the shit. That's all. You know, you gotta fool your mind. See, like this didn't look like this before, so now I'm like, oh, this looks sweet.
Yeah, because all your shoes right there.
I mean, but some of them don't count. They just there for, they like, what the fuck is that doing?
The heat.
They just like fillers. It's just like, you know, that's just horrible.
Okay.
Sound like it's choking.
Tell us what these shoes mean to you. Let's just start with this one.
I mean, these like my paid in fulls, man. When a nigga first started getting money, I thought I was a man with these. And they like, I'm a big Jerry Rice fan. And he played for the San Francisco. That's literally how I sounded. That's literally how I sounded. That's how I sound. That's how I sound. I ain't gonna catch. That's how I sound. No.
You could do a story time on that.
No, but yeah. Insider, I guess. These was they the same colorway as the San Francisco 49ers. And yeah. But nah, these like some
You look like your dad.
I done did some things in these that I shouldn't have done. That I'm not proud of. But you know, but these though.
Y'all, we cleaning up, so please just like, well, trying to clean up.
No, these that, you know, these like was these your first actual like?
Yep.
For real?
Yep.
Damn.
Yep. First ones I ever did. My first time actually distressing something. My first time actually putting the patches in it.
What was your first time distressing something?
Oh, no. No, but this is my first time actually like trying to like do something. And then this is my first time doing this. I made these. When did I make these pants? 2015. 2015. These boys. This one just was a lot smaller, you know.
I can still fit them though.
No. This is when we was
Actually, that's
we
when
went
I
through
picked up some weight. I was like husky.
after we was. Well, why did do this then?
Dad did that recently. Like, not recently, but like I got a little, chunky at some point in time. Nigga was eating good.
Well, yeah, these
I had a
pants.
white chicks moment. My butt was just like, fuck this shit. I don't know.
That's how that happened. All right.
Fat dude problems, I guess. But no, these shoes is like,
Your little hair.
you got my dirty socks up here. But this one really started getting some money. I thought I was a man with these. All like super bright pink. Man. And pretty much all my shoes, besides everything I done bought the last couple of years, came from a thrift shop. So.
Yo, we.
Good gems. I think I paid classics. Original.
Wait, what you mean you waited 4 months?
Because I went in there and I saw them, and I think I bought like a pair of Air Force Ones. I think I bought them ugly gray Air Force Ones instead of these. And I probably wore them Air Force Ones twice. But I came back like 4 months later and I looked at them. Like,
they was still there 4 months later.
I'm like, nah, I ain't gonna do it. And then I came back one more time and I'm like, bro, I'm buying these bitches. Like, that's when I was like, I actually cared about, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, everything I wore had to be like specific. Like from the socks to the pants to like, it was weird.
I think you still like that.
No, but it's just like, you know
these that explain these.
Like literally, like I just want to be comfortable. That explains like the last couple pants I bought, sweatpants. Like I just be chilling. Like it's the summertime, I got on sweatpants. But other than that, I don't really have like I can't throw these away. I can't like sell these shoes. Besides like really them two. That's because they classics. Like, and they like the colorways is just so different. you warn me basically. You like foreshadow this shit.
Wait, what we talking about?
They'll find out. So,
this story about his last bike ride trip.
I used to have to ride a bike to
his
like,
job in college. Job.
Like I worked at Ruby Tuesday. I used to have to ride a bike to work. I used to be flying on them. Man, but anyway, so we was like out running errands or shopping or something, doing college stuff. And she was like, yeah, babe, you gonna need a coat. Like, you don't be cold riding that bike? And I'm like, nah, I got it, whatever. Woo, woo, woo. Then like a week go by, and I'm like closing, and it's like probably like 11, well, like 11:30.
He was a dishwasher. Man,
so I'm she texts me like, yeah, where you at? Come through. I'm like, ooh, I start, like literally like went in like super crackhead mode and just like start slinging dishes everywhere. So I got like my whole front, like not even a front shirt, but just my entire whole front side of my body is just soaked. I think like I had like on like a thin hoodie, that black specked out polka dot hoodie, my black little slack pants and like some Vans, some low top Vans. I got on that bike. For one, I stepped outside and I'm like, ooh, like biting, like this one hitting, like, ooh. I'm like, man. Fuck, nigga, we out, nigga. I started pedaling, bro. I literally felt like I was freezing to death. Like I literally felt like I was like, and then like I'm so cold. It's like, bro, my hands is my knuckles. You know how like your knuckles get so cold, like they get hot. You ever get so cold, like it just be hot, like it's like burning. I'm so serious. Like bro. I'm
My
riding the
ribs.
bike. I'm riding the bike and I'm pedaling. Like, I'm literally like every pedal. I'm just like and then I click the gears. And I'm like, nah, man, I can't, no, man. So for some reason, I turned the gears up and I started pedaling faster. Like the bike started going faster, and I'm just like, dog. Like, you ever been so cold you can't think? Like your body's so cold, it just get your brain to just you just get brain freeze. Like I literally just like, bro, it was the worst experience of my life. And literally, I was like, after that, I'm like, nah, I'm not riding that bike no more. Like, I think I started getting picked up for like real or something like that. After that, I got picked up a couple times. I'm just like, bro, nah. This close from fame. I stepped in there, and I was just like, dog, and I just started sweating. I'm like, bro, what the fuck? I'm cold as shit, nigga. I was like, what the fuck? I'm hot, but I'm cold. Like, oh, God. Like, it was.